How to use basic video mode in Capsule360. First, mount your Capsule360 onto your tripod. Then, put your camera onto your Capsule360. After that, power your device on. Now, open the Capsule360 mobile app. Finally, connect your device and choose the basic video mode from the menu. Before setting the parameters, you should set the desired movement by setting the motion path. To begin, move your camera to the starting point. Then press Next. Now move your camera to the ending point. And finally, press Finish. By pressing the Finish button, Capsule360 moves slightly to the starting position. You can see the desired path of your motion setup on the app screen. Now, begin to make the configuration of the basic video mode. With the speed parameter, you can set the speed of your device between 10% and 100%. You can use the ease in or out parameter, which is responsible for the acceleration of your Capsule360. By selecting low, medium, or high parameters, you can get 3 different acceleration speeds. With the help of the mode parameter, you can define the movement behavior. You can stop the movement at the end point by selecting one way, stop at the start point by selecting two-way, or repeat the movement continuously by selecting continuous. Additionally, you can save your settings for your next shot and use them whenever you want. You can also schedule your basic video for a specific time. By pressing the Start button, Capsule360 moves according to your settings while you can track the movement, the elapsed, and the remaining time on the status screen. And that's it. It's super simple.